Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve part 3rd. Now again you have to complete this whole square and after that you have to find the roots. So let's say this obviously all the terms are positive, so we will use the formula for positive terms. So this can be written as 2x whole square. So this is our a and this should be our 2ab. So our 2 into a is as 2x. So clearly till now we have 2 into 2 4x. So clearly our b must be root 3. So that our 2ab must become 4 root 3x. 2 into 2 4x and root 3. And we know that we have a square plus 2ab and our b is root 3 and this 3 can be written as root 3 whole square. This is equals to 0 because root 3 whole square is basically means root 3 multiplied by root 3, which is 3 into 3 and one pair will taken out. So the value of this is basically 3. So in place of this we can write this, and this is nothing but root 3 square. So we have written in place of this as this, so that our whole equation get converted into this form, and in place of this we can write this. So we are replacing this by 2x plus root 3 whole square equals to 0. So clearly if the square of something is 0, so obviously that value must also be equals to 0. So the value of x here must be minus root 3. So the value of x here should be minus root 3 upon 2. So because this is a perfect square number, means the value of x must be same, or you can say the value of x must be minus root 3 upon 2 and minus root 3 upon 2. So these two must be the values of for this particular quadratic equation. Thank you.